Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll be talking about the rebates, or if there's any rebates for people that purchased the vehicle in December or November of 2022 like myself. So I think a couple of days ago I emailed the the California vehicle rebate programs, and this is what I got back from them, and this is what it says. Hello, thank you for your email. At this time, Tesla Model 3 and Tesla Model Y are only accepted if they are ordered on or before March 15, 2022, or on or after January 12, 2023. The Tesla order date is the date the vehicle was ordered solely for Tesla. The date of purchase is the first date of registration when you do an application with us. Tesla are only eligible at the time they were on our list of vehicles after the vehicle manufacturer applied and was added to our list. And here's a link that you can click on. Okay, so I clicked on the link and it'll take you to this one right here. Like about, I would say maybe a couple of days ago, when I click on this link, when I try to type in Tesla, none of this shows up. Okay, so I guess Tesla applied for the program and they got approved. And as you can see right here, the Tesla Model 3 and Model Y, they both get $2,000 rebate. So you think about it, for people like that are purchasing in between, like they don't get anything. Okay, so for like, which is good for the people that are planning or that are purchase the vehicle in those time frame, because they do get the $7,500 rebate along with the California rebate, another $2,000 on top. Okay, so which is good, and also the price decrease. Unfortunately for us, or like for myself, I bought it in December, and I think all I got was the $7,500 credit off of Tesla and the 10,000 miles of supercharge. But other than that, the price was really high, and I not even qualified for this, so which is kind of sucky part. But this is the good news for the people that are about to buy or already bought the vehicle after January 12th, or starting on January 13, 2023. So if you are those lucky people, make sure you register and apply within 90 days of it. So they also give you a link for you to track your rebate as well. Okay, so just make sure you follow the instruction of the rebates, and then hopefully you guys will get the additional $2,000. Okay. But that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you very much for watching. If you guys like the video, please give a like. And if you love the video, make sure you subscribe for more Tesla news and Tesla information. Other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.